So today's the second video in our series on implementation of getting breakthrough improvement. So our objective is to get that breakthrough improvement, and the first step in that is to achieve stability. So the next set of videos are going to talk about specific actions that we're going to take to get that breakthrough improvement and to move towards operational stability. So the first thing we want to do is establish the steering committee. So the steering committee is a cross-functional team of members from the organization, and their objective is to monitor the implementation of the goal tree and to ensure that things are on target. And of course, by the term steering, they're steering the teams to make sure that they're staying on track and staying focused. Because what we don't want to do is get scope creep and start working on another initiatives that aren't leading us towards our objective of stability. So the steering committee, we set up that cross-functional team. We meet frequently at the start, maybe once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. And what we're doing is we're reviewing the initiatives that are happening. We're getting feedback if they're on track or off track. We're reviewing the KPIs. So the KPIs should be moving in the right direction if we're taking the right actions. And we're looking at the set of initiatives and prioritizing those initiatives and establishing the teams that are going to be focused on implementing those initiatives. And then also they're going to be planning the next set of initiatives. So once we get things started and once we get implementation going, right, the steering committee's got to be out in front of the implementation teams, understanding what are the next set of actions that need to happen. And so get that steering committee established, get the team, get the effective meeting of that steering committee going, reviewing the information, keeping the implementation teams on track. Next session, we're going to talk about the proposal A3 process. This is a tool that we use to establish the objective of the implementation teams. And then the A3 tool is reviewed in the steering committee to make sure that the A3 is going to achieve the objectives that we're looking for. So that's our session. If you're looking to get breakthrough improvement, get a hold of me. We'll talk about the process we use. We'll talk about your organization and what things we can do to help your organization be a high-performing organization.